2018, guys, SoundCloud rappers are a thing. Everybody's trying to be a SoundCloud rapper. And I thought, you know what? What's a good video idea? Hop on the bandwagon. Be a SoundCloud rapper. I literally always joke about being a SoundCloud rapper. And maybe it's not a joke anymore. Maybe I was serious this whole time and you guys were just taking me for granted. So you know what? Today I'm going to be a SoundCloud rapper. And I'm going to show you guys the steps on how to do that. Okay, first things first, this outfit, not cutting it. So, you know what we're going to do? We're going to turn this into a Supreme shirt. BRB, homies. Does it look real? Probably not. It's cool. I'm an upcoming rapper. It's fine. Hair dye that I'm just going to put in my hair. Yeah. I'm also, dreads is a popular thing amongst rappers today. I can't do that, but I'm going to braid my entire head for you guys. So, let's do this. I am also doing this underneath my white fur rug, but it's okay. This is cool. Yeah, just the entire thing. Nobody wants a normal head of hair. Okay, now we're just gonna start by braiding our hair, and yeah. Also, it's time to come up with your rapper name. So my name's Alexia, and my nickname's Lexi. I decided that I want people to call me Lil Lex. You know, it's catchy. So that's my rapper name. Think of yours while I'm doing this. Dreads. So now that we got our hair, now it's time to dye it. And we're just gonna throw a bunch of that on there. So, just gonna put this in that braid. Yes. So we're just going for it. I really hope this comes out of my hair. It's time to do some tattoos. Every rapper has tattoos. You are not a rapper if you do not have tattoos. So I decided that Sharpie probably wasn't the best idea to put on my face. But I had this little marker. And I was going to do eyeliner, but you know, whatever. So basically, a lot of rappers have crosses underneath their eye. I don't really know why, but I'm going to do one. So that kind of looks like a plus sign, but it's cool. What else? Oh, they got teardrops. Oh, Lil Pump has a Gucci sign. So I don't know how the Gucci sign goes. You know, repping Gucci out here. Okay. You know, I know how to do my own tattoos. I probably wouldn't do this at home. I would probably go with yours professionally done. Except I'm out here balling on a budget. So, next step to being a rapper is clout. So basically, I have a variety of clout goggles. Personally, I think these just match my aesthetic better. Your talent means nothing. Nobody cares if you're talented. Your appearance is everything. Everything. Talent. So now that you got the look down, it's time to create your rap. Your rap just has to have at least 3 words that are catchy in it. For example, Lil Pump's Gucci Gang. How many words did I have it? Gucci Gang. Take notes. You gotta get with it. You gotta learn the sick dance moves to be cool. Ready? So basically, that's just how you become a rapper. I just gave you all the steps to become Lil Pump. All these steps and you're gonna be a rapper. Follow me on SoundCloud. It'll be in the description down below.